especially to all the pageant media. We would like to welcome you here to the sashing and launching and crowning of our first ever Miss Wellness World Philippines 2025. Although some of you are already familiar with me, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Sir Dudes. I'm the franchise holder of the Philippine franchise. I'm the franchise holder of Miss Wellness World Philippines 2025. Just to give you a background on how it started, you all know that I'm so busy. Actually, I'm in the midst of coaching almost 20 countries for Miss Universe, Miss International, Miss World right now. And then this pageant came to me because the people behind this are actually my friends. So I think I wouldn't be able to give justice to choosing a candidate in the Philippines if I would be able to connect with someone who is really immersed in the Philippine arena of pageantry. That's why I thought of June. So the competition is happening this coming 17th, right? 18th, and yeah. It so happened that I was able to connect with Sir June Katigba and Presto. He sent the photo of Juliana, and then instantly, knowing in the beauty pageant industry, we know that that X factor. So upon seeing her, she was about to compete for Mutianang Laguna. So it was very fresh, and then I decided to designate Mr. June to be the national director of Miss Wellness World Philippines, so that he could really attend to the nitty-gritty details of the preparation of Juliana. And I'm the CEO and the president. So, so I hope you will be supporting Juliana and our new competition. This is started to be one of the best pageants to happen, because the people behind this are actually spectacular people, and they promise to give us an A1 performance productions in Thailand. So I would like to call first the national director, the official national director of Miss Wellness World Philippines, June Katigba. June, come over here.
Wow.
So June, let me ask you a question. How does it feel to be the national director?
Sabi ko nga sa post ko, parang I never imagine na I'll be madedesignate ako or ma-assign as a national director. Pero I'm in the pageant industry na rin naman for the past 15 years. So akala ko mag-stick lang ako as under trainer ng mga candidates who will be competing for sa amin sa province, sa national, and now for international competition. So nakaka-excite kasi for the past 15 years nga, ilang candidates na rin naman yung na-train ko na nag-compete international. Pero this time, I'll be accompanying the candidate, yung candidate natin, yung Philippine representative natin sa Thailand sa competition niya. So yun lang, maraming salamat po sa mga media friends na tumutulong sa akin, sa mga alaga ko for the past 15 years. Sana supportahan nyo rin yung laban ni Juliana Panopio is coming October 18 to 26. Actually, she'll be staying in Bangkok po simula sa 18 ng October, pero yung pinakang coronation will be on the 26th of this month po. So maraming salamat sa po agad. Pero, Sir Dudes, bago ko kalimutan, i-acknowledge ko po yung mga media natin na nandito po ngayon at sumusuporta sa sashing ceremony with Juliana Panopio. So let's start with Tiara Holics, with Mr. John Ray Gutierrez. Maraming salamat. Tito Mel Caparas ng Pageant Chronicle, thank you po. Sir Jonas Yun ng Pageantry Magazine. Tito Celso Caparas, the Star Vlogger. Orlo Cortez ng Pageantry. Mama J. Barbo ng Pageantry. ng Pageantry Fanatics. Charlize Legaspi ng Business Mirror. At si Tito Noli ng OPMP na nire-represent ni Kuya Melvin Zia. At saka si Mami Ten.
Andiyan na.
Nakakarating na.
Nabuto ka lang ulan. The latest.
Representative siya ng
Critical Beauty.
Maraming salamat po. Business Mirror. Charlize Legaspi. So maraming salamat. Sana hindi lang po ngayon, sana hanggang next week, hanggang coronation night po ng Miss Philippines natin, Miss Wellness World Philippines 2025, Juliana Panopio. Maraming salamat.
you, Sir Direct June. I will call you Direct now. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you, we're so proud to present to you the official Miss Wellness World Philippines 2025. How about a big hand to Miss Juliana Aguero Panopio.
Talagang live po tayo. Wait lang ha.
Anything happens in the line. I'm very sure you're all excited to see and to meet her. So while waiting for you, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Miss Wellness World Philippines 2025, Miss Juliana Aguero Panopio. Okay, so thank you so much. Now, we will proceed immediately to the sashing and the crowning. So, may we request Sir June, okay, to assist me in the sashing. We are officially now sashing Juliana as the Miss Wellness World Philippines 2025, our official candidate in the competition next week in Thailand. Okay? The crown. The crown. Can we request the brothers now to do the crowning? So to make it more personalized and and
Sa likod daw. Bro.
Sa likod ko kuya.
Pasensya na lang. Stethoscope lagi hawak niya.
Wow.
hey, congratulations. Thank you so much.
Photo.
Let's join.
Center mo na. 1, 2, 3. Yan po.
You're right po. Right po. Right.
Dito, Sir Jun. Dito. Okay.
Thank you so much. Ang nagwapo din ng mga kapatid, ano? Ang competition din.
Next year.
Oo, next year sila naman maglalaban na.
Ayun pa kay GNC. Tago kay J. Bar. Wato muna siya.
Photo up muna. Follow.
So,
Ay, call ng teacher doon.
yan sige ka.
Yan.
Isa, wala. Jewish mo pa.
Ate,
Juliana.
copyrighted kasi.
Oh, music
copyrighted.
Off lang. Wala nang music.
Ganun naman. Yan.
Center please.
Juliana yung
One.
Sakura.
1, 2. Mali pa yung ako ng ilaw. 1, 2, 3.
Ayan.
Wait lang ah. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Here. Okay, sige.
Okay, thank you so much. So can we request Juliana to take a seat because it will, bring. We will go to the Q&A portion. Okay, so media, you are now allowed
Wait
to
muna.
ask questions.
Introduction po muna.
Introduction.
Message po.
Introduce first yourself.
Message niya.
Ay, wait.
Acceptance message.
Teka muna.
Ready? 1, 2,
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
go.
Good day, everyone. I'm Juliana Guerrero Panopio, 21 years old, a current civil engineering student, and proud to represent Miss Wellness World Philippines 2025. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Okay.
Ano lang ba? Message kung bakit mo tinanggap yung yung opportunity.
Thank you all for being here as I was appointed by Sir Dudes to represent the Philippines in the international stage. I was actually excited and also a little nervous because I'll be bringing pride and the joy to be welcomed as a true Filipino beauty to showcase in the international world. And I can't wait to meet all of the other candidates so that I can ensure that I'll have a lot of learnings from this international pageant that I can hopefully instill to the pageant world here in the Philippines. So once again, thank you, Sir Dudes, the CEO of the franchise of Miss Wellness World Philippines 2025, and to our new National Director, Sir June Katigbak.
Okay, so media, you're free to ask questions now.
Ay, isa lang yan. Nandito pala ako tao.
Well,
Hello, Juliana. My question is, ano na yung preparations na ginagawa mo for your coming pageant, Miss Wellness World International?
Well, at first, since I just actually finished the pageant from Mutyanan, Laguna, it actually just held the coronation night last week. And with this, I was actually grateful to have won second runner-up, and with the help of my trainer in Passerella PH held by Sir June Kadikbak, I am proud and sure that I will be able to showcase to the international stage the Passerella of a true Filipino.
My next question is, what is your greatest accomplishment in life you are most proud that you want to share with your fellow Miss Wellness World International candidates?
Well, actually po, during the Mutyanan Laguna 2025 coronation night, I actually fell on stage during the swimsuit competition. And when I stood up strongly and confidently, I think that is the greatest achievement in my life because I was able to come back from this setback and stand strong as a true Lagunense and a true Filipino.
thank you.
Before we proceed, let's acknowledge the presence of the mom. Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Hello po.
Hello, Mom.
Hello po. Please introduce yourself also.
Hi, Juliana. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. So it's nice to see you again. Since you've competed Mutyanang Laguna, so I've been there also during the press presentation. Yes. I've joined. Charot. Just kidding. Well, anyway, congratulations in advance. I know
Thank you so much.
we believed in your capacity and your competitiveness in competing sa international arena. So my question for you is, now that you are an official candidate of Miss Wellness World 2025, what are you most passionate about?
So I am passionate about showcasing how we Filipinos practice wellness here in our country. So alam naman natin kung gaano kasarap ang mga panglasang Pinoy. So I can't wait to showcase to the world our true and very delicious delicacies and still very healthy and will help us in our wellness.
How old are you, dear?
I'm actually 21 years old.
So, meaning first time mo mag-join sa international stage and at the
Yes.
same time, first time din ba mag-join sa mga local pageants?
Actually, this year has only been the first time that I've been welcomed to the pageantry world. My first ever competition was just this August in Binibining Bay 2025 where I won the first runner-up. And then already after 2 months, I competed for Mutyanan Laguna in the provincial stage, and now I'm excited and very dedicated to have work harder for the international stage because I believe that with my dedication and with the proper help from my mentors, I can bring home the crown.
Ayun. And syempre ang ating mga Lagunenses are very proud of you now, especially sa mga taga-Bay, sa ano mo, sa hometown mo.
Yes.
How can you prove to them na you are worth to support dito sa international competition mo?
Well, my fellow Bayanias have always been there for me, especially during my pageant in Binibining Bay 2025. Yet they also supported me as I competed in Mutya ng Laguna. And I believe that all Lagunenses have within themselves the love and support and empathy for us Filipinos. Kasi tayo mga Pinoy, di ba? We're all valuable in ating pakikipagkapwa and pakikisama. That is why I believe that a true hospitable Filipino will always be there for you wherever you are in the world.
Talking to the appointment, when did you decide to accept this opportunity? And papaano ka na-encourage ni Sir June Katigbak to join the international?
Well, actually, just before, I think a few days before the coronation night of Mutya ng Laguna, Sir June has asked me if I am willing to represent the Philippines in the international stage. At first, I was a little bit hesitant since I believe that I am still very new to this journey. However, he told me that with the improvements that I have gotten from Binibining Bay to Mutya ng Laguna and all of the lessons and learnings that I have gained from the right mentors and the right coaches, that I have what is inside me, the confidence as well to bring home the crown and represent the country because I have the pride as a true Filipina.
Last question na lang, dear. With regards to the support system, kumusta naman? Are they helping you with when it comes to your financial support? Kasi it's really hard for us to compete sa international. It really takes time and money. So, ika nga, if you want to win, of course, you put your money where your mouth is.
Yes, we all know that money is one of the essential things, especially here in joining pageantry. And actually, yun din yung isa sa mga kino-consider namin before we accepted this challenge. However, with the loving family that I have and the support that they've given me, we are actually now asking also for a lot of officials that can help us with our journey. So, since hindi ko lang naman to laban, kundi laban ng buong Pilipinas, kaya inaanyayahan ko po kayo na if you are willing to support me in this journey, you may contact me in my Facebook page, Juliana Panopio.
Thank you, dear, and that's
Thank
all.
you.
Any more questions?
Hi, Juliana.
Hello po.
This is Chelsea for the Star Blogger.
Hello, Star Blogger.
Since this is the first edition of Miss Wellness World, can you kindly give us an overview of what Miss Wellness World is?
Well, actually po, Miss Wellness World has been happening for a few years now in Thailand. And for the first time ever, they've graciously welcomed the world to join their stage. And I can't wait for all of you to see what we have prepared because this is actually not just a one-day event. This is actually gonna start na in October 18 up until October 26 for the coronation night. And starting October 18 pa lang, we're gonna be able to showcase our national costumes. So I hope October 18 you guys will be able to watch live in our Miss Wellness World Thailand.
A second question. What are your qualities that will make you win Miss Wellness World 2025?
Well, having just joined Mutya ng Laguna, I have learned that I am not just a beauty queen, I am also someone who is beautiful, also in the inside, because I have with me in my heart true kindness and empathy that I want to showcase to the world. And of course, I have a deep respect for our culture, which I want to appreciate that has been passed down to us from generations to generations. And of course, I am purposeful in advocating for environmental justice, for as a civil engineering student, I have in me the knowledge that can help maintain our environment and also sustain our livelihoods.
Final question.
Serious,
With only 77 days away from Christmas, what is your Christmas wish in general?
Well, my Christmas wish is, of course, to bring home the Miss Wellness World crowd. And with this crowd, I believe that I can be able to have a bigger platform and a bigger audience for the whole world to see a true Filipina, beautiful in the outside and in the inside. Thank you.
Juliana,
Oh, hi.
Shirley's from Business Mirror.
Hello, Charlize.
Can you share with us how do you take care of your wellness, including your mental health?
Well, I believe wellness takes in a lot of time for us. It is very important that we practice self-care and have time for ourselves, because with this we'll have time to reflect and of course have exercises and physical activities that can help our physical health and of course our mental health. If we reflect and learn from our mistakes, we'll be able to truly believe that we will have confidence in ourselves that can help our overall wellness.
Okay. You're studying civil engineering.
Yes.
How will you help improve the flood control projects in the group?
Well, I know that it's a very pressing issue right now, especially in Laguna, wherein we see a lot of news that some officials are part pala ng corruption. So I believe lang na we should hold the wronged officials accountable, and if we demand transparency for their future projects, then we can ensure that the budgets are properly allocated and given to the people.
Thank you. Good luck.
Sir Jonas, you.
Thank you. Yes, good afternoon, Juliana. I'm
Good
Jonas from
afternoon.
Pageantry Magazine. Okay, the word wellness itself is such a positive word. You as a person, as a pageant candidate, how are you going to promote holistic being?
Well, I believe here in the Philippines, we are already holistic in everything that we do. For we also, especially now in my generation, we are now focusing on self-care and loving ourselves. So I believe that we should also focus on ourselves so that we can be able to radiate this energy so that other people around us will be able to be more confident in themselves and be more well in themselves.
Okay, thank you. Second question, Juliana. Let's say you're already competing in Thailand and you're put on the spot by your fellow candidates and they'll be asking you about the political turmoil in your country. What are you going to tell them?
Well, of course, I will be honest in what is happening in our world, in our country. Because we all know that there is a very pressing issue of corruption within our flood control projects. And I believe that if I address this to my fellow candidates in Miss Wellness World as well, then I believe that they can also share their insights and provide me with learnings on what happened to their country. Because corruption is not just happening in the Philippines, it is actually happening throughout the entire world. And I believe that we can all be united in this journey as we fight for injustice.
Thank you.
Other questions?
Si ano muna? Sunod na, mamaya na lang.
Oreo.
Hi dear,
Hello po.
since nasabi mo kanina, kasi nakikinig ako sa interviews nila, you are engineering student. no?
Yes.
So paano ka napapayag na mag-pageant despite, kasi medyo mahirap yung course mo and
Yeah.
you are from UP Diliman. So paano ka napa-oo sa pagsali sa pageant?
Well, actually, ever since I was a little girl po, I've always been dreaming of, Disney princesses and being a princess one day. And when I was given the chance to represent my barangay in Binibining Bay 2025, my mom asked me about this if I could manage it with my time as well. Because we all know it's very hard to study in UP and especially engineering. So with this, I believe that if I have the dedication within me, then I know that I can manage my time well and still be able to study while still representing our country.
Dear, being a UP student, ikaw ba naniniwala ka na we all have to voice out our opinions with regards to pressing issues right now?
Well, I believe that having a voice is actually a right because freedom of speech is something that is very essential in our lives. So I believe as a beauty queen, we should be able to use our voice and not just acknowledge the issues that are happening right now, but also be a part of the action. For if we change our behavior, then we can demand action and demand justice.
My last na here. How important is wellness this day?
Well, we all know that wellness is very important, and this is something that has been oftenly set aside because we always enjoy lavish things and always think of just having fun. But I believe if we focus and have a designated time or day for ourselves, then we can ensure a healthy lifestyle and even prolong our lives and be well in not just our physical state, but also in our mental state.
Okay, so my first question is, civil engineering is a male-dominated field. So, what made you decide to take this path?
Well, actually, I really chose civil engineering because as a child, I really enjoyed playing Sims, if you know that game. So I've always enjoyed editing and creating houses. So I think civil engineering, although it is a male-dominated field, is actually something we women can conquer because we women are naturally born leaders as well, and if we just have confidence in ourselves to step out of our comfort zones, then we will not be shamed and discriminated in this field.
Alright, thank you. Second question, you have a brother on the medical field. Has he given you any advice in terms of taking care of your well-being?
Well, my brother is always very supportive of me, and I'm actually a very close sister to my siblings. And as he is actually, as he is actually only also just a new doctor, he has always been very supportive, and he has always been, especially when I'm sick, he has always been there for me to assist me and in what kind of medications I should get and in what type of food I should be eating, especially now in joining pageantry. We all know that there are a lot of stereotypes on how body types should be. So I believe that with the guidance that I have gotten from my brother, he has told me to just be confident in yourself, and then you can also be able to show what you truly are.
Alright, so final question na talaga. What piece of advice that your mother has given you that you'll carry papunta sa bangko?
Well, my mom always tells me to give people the benefit of the doubt. So when people or the other candidates or the other people have given me a first impression, I believe that it is important to give them the benefit of the doubt and always look at the best things in people, because people always have a lot of things to offer, and if we focus on the good side in people, then we will be able to have peace and unity. This dress actually is from Louis Pangilinan, and I can't wait for all of you to see my dress for my coronation night, which will also be designed by him. My dress last Mutya ng Laguna 2025 was also, all of them were from Louis Pangilinan. And I can't wait na makita niyo ang galing at husay ng mga Pilipino sa paggawa ng damit. Thank you so much, everyone.
Juliana, could you give us a sample of your... I may question pa. Si ano? Si Esteves. Esteves.
Hi, Juliana. Just one
Ikaw,
question for you. As Miss Wellness World Philippines, what one wellness practice that you're doing that you would like to share to each and every Filipino?
Well, one wellness that I do is actually self-reflection at the end of the day, because this helps me instill that I have a strong mind, especially as I compete. Because if we are strong in our mind, then we can radiate this strength throughout our entire body and make sure that we will never back down to whatever challenges that we may face.
Hi, this is Stanton TV for representing Critical Beauty.
Hello.
Can I just ask, have you ever had a chance to stalk your co-candidates, and who do you think is your biggest competitor and why?
Well, actually, I still haven't yet seen the social media platforms of the other candidates, and I can't wait for Miss Wellness World to showcase each and every one of them. Because as of now, Miss Wellness World has only showcased a few candidates, and I haven't yet to see them. But I hope that each and every one of you can follow their page so that you may see also the other candidates.
Okay. Next is that Miss Wellness World, it talks about mental and health care, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you will be an advocate of mental and health care in the Philippines. So the judges were going to be asking you about it in Thailand. So if they are going to ask you about how is mental and health care and wellness formed in the Philippines, what will be your answer and what is your narrative about that?
Well, as a civil engineering student, I believe that the answer is to provide more safe spaces for the people here in the Philippines, because we are actually lacking still in mental health awareness, for people still believe that this is something that is not true. But I believe that mental health is just as important as our physical health. So if you provide more safe spaces for people, then they'll be able to voice out more their concerns.
Okay, lastly, do you think Philippines should win Miss Wellness World?
Well, of course. With
what-
the guidance of Sir Dudes and Sir June, will be able to bring home the crown.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Juliana.
Hello.
In a world that celebrates beauty, how can you convince people that character is more important than good looks?
Well, I believe in the saying that beauty is power, but this beauty is not just in our physical appearance, but is also something to be beautiful on the inside. Because if you are beautiful on the inside and showcase to the people what you truly believe in, then you are truly empowered and beautiful with or without a crown.
Juliana, final question. Why should you be crowned as the first Miss Wellness International 2025?
Well, as you all know,
Okay. Okay na. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
well, as you all know, I've been saying multiple times now that I am not just beautiful in my physical appearance, but also beautiful in my heart. For it is what is inside me that I can be able to radiate and showcase to all of you. And with this beauty in my heart, I have the compassion to turn this into action, because I believe that it is not just my platform to raise awareness and knowledge to the people. I should be able to mobilize them and make sure that the people are part of action. As a purposeful woman, I have what it takes in me to mobilize the people and be your next Miss Wellness World 2025.
Ano? Sige, ano?
Introduction mo doon sa
Yung
Juliana, Philippines.
Juliana Keme,
Oo.
Philippines, gano'n.
Box of Hiki.
Yung name mo, tapos Philippines. Ganun.
Okay, wait.
Okay na? Ready? 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Juliana Aguero Panopio, Philippines!
One more yung sigaw tayo. One more kasi sigaw tayo.
With energy. Juliana,
Energy
Philippines.
Ready?
Ay, wait.
1, 2, 3. Go.
Juliana Aguero Panopio, Philippines! Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Dudes.
May we call the beautiful
Message.
Message pala.
Message si Mother.
Ma'am, can we request you in front to say something?
Message po.
A message to your beautiful daughter? Because
Beautiful and smart daughter.
the mom is also beautiful.
Yes.
Correct. Very
Message, mother.
Well, I believe that my daughter will be able to conquer the international pageant world. I've seen her, how she transformed. She mentioned that she started a few months ago. And I think it is her destiny. And the stars are aligning, as you can see. And I'm really excited to see her slay the pageant world in Thailand.
Photo off. Sige, photo lang po tayo. Center po muna. Sige, doon muna. Kaya Cheryl Hollis.
Right, muna po here. Alright,
And
Let's
then
also
center
ask-
po.
Let's also ask a message from the two brothers.
Center po muna. 1, 2.
May interview rin daw
Here
yung
po.
brother.
Correct. Ilalagay kasi ni Jay sa Bay. Dito, ma'am.
Close na.
Jay. Oo, ilalagay ni Jay para sa Bay. Yung dalawang utol.
Dadayo sa bae.
Instagram.
Kasi kagabi, sa
Maybe
Miss
we call the
Universe, may Bay na
brothers.
naman.
Message.
Maybe we call the two handsome brothers.
Yes.
Just drop a message to Juliana.
Message po.
O yan, ibibigay ni Jay yan.
Message po.
A message.
So I am Doc Alet Panopio. So I'm the brother of Juliana Aguilera Panopio. So my message for her is that first of all, what I feel is I'm feeling immense gratitude and pride because now she's stepping into the international stage. So it does not only reflect, she's not only carrying our family's name, she's also showcasing how we were raised with courage, elegance, and purpose. So for my sister, my only message is just to enjoy the show. Just enjoy the show, and I know, I believe that it is with your hard work, and I saw how dedicated she is, she can bring home the crown.
Kinikinig si Jay Barbo.
Pwede mo pa check out.
I love you, Dok.
Papa-check up daw kung bigla. Papa-check up.
Parang nahihilo ako.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, I am the other brother of Juliana. Ang message ko lang, thank you sa message ni Kuya, English. Ang message ko kay Yana, Yana, you're not just wearing the sash of our family, but for the whole country. You represent the core values and the grace of every Filipino. So, good luck and make sure to bring the crown. Thank you po.
National Director.
Ako yung National Director. Hindi,
Hindi pwedeng wala.
ay, dapat tinatanong din to eh.
Kaya,
May tanong kami.
separate press
Oo.
conference.
Sabi nga ni Yana, she started pageant this year. Actually, parang 3-4 months ago. At isa ako sa nag-witness na yung pag-grow niya as a person, as a lady, and as a queen. Kasi she started from scratch talaga. Sabi ko nga, ang ganda ng pattern niya. She started the pageant from the municipal level, and she placed first runner-up. And recently she won second runner-up for the provincial level, and now trying her luck in the international stage. So para sa akin kasi sa dami ng babaeng Pilipina to represent this Miss Wellness World, it's a crown na for her to represent the Philippines, yung pageant na to. So, kung ano man mangyari, proud ako sa tatay ko.
And to add to what Mami said a while ago, that it's her destiny. I think and I believe it's her destiny because imagine a week ago we didn't have any candidate, and I was about to tell Thailand, no, I will be begging off this year, and all of a sudden she came into existence, and they love all. Actually, I would like to greet Ko and the rest of the officers of Miss World. They're watching right now, and they all love the Philippines. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Center.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
With the media.
Thank you. Media.
Halika na, J-Bar.
Kulang ko na lang kami dyan. Mga media naman po. Sino kayo? Ay, tatabi yan sa stage na kuya.
No.
Thank you po sa pagpunta.
Thank you rin. Thank you, Juliana.
Hindi ko ma-off yung live.
June, ito na. Fresh lang ito sa itim.
Ano, 7 o'clock.
John Ray.
Compress po konti.
Palaksan mo nga Palaksan mo nga. Mainit. O, dito muna. Ready? 1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2. Last 1, 2. Okay.
Here po. Sa akin po. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you po.
Solo naman.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. The late Melvin. Wala na isa pa, guys.
Guys, isa pa.
Isa pa picture. Philippines.
Yung ilalabang. Kaya mo bumashare.
Video Ben. Solo din.
Hindi, sabi ko rin tayo. Last time, hindi ko tayo yung Philippines.
Kumain ka na, Ming? Ming, kumain ka na ba?
Ready? Okay. Oreo, kasama ka, Ben. Lahat ng media. Okay.
Julian, dito lang ako.
Hindi kita si...
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Juliana Guerra Panopio, Miss Wellness World
Tito Celso, naka-national costume yung Abanico.
Thank you, Dom. Thank you po.
Papipicture ako yung makeup artist namin. Papapicture na. Wow, lakan-lakan.
Sige. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow Pageant Trend and share this live streaming. Support to our Philippine representative for Miss Wellness World 2025 happening in Thailand this month. Thank you guys.